Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a YouTube or Twitch account on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the user settings icon at the bottom left of your screen to open the settings panel. A settings menu appears with categories listed down the left side. In the left sidebar, select Connections to open the integrations page. The main panel now shows your connected accounts and services. Click the View More button to open the Add Connection modal, which displays all available services you can link. You'll see options for YouTube, Twitch, Spotify, Steam, and several others. Click the YouTube icon to start the connection process, and a browser window opens for sign-in. Select the Google account you want to connect. Then a permissions screen appears asking what Discord can access. You'll see a list of specific permissions Discord is requesting. Click the Select All checkbox to grant full access, then click Continue to authorize the connection. This allows Discord to display your channel and activity. The browser window closes and you're back to the Connected Apps panel, where your YouTube account now appears in the list with a green connected status. For this example, a browser window opens for Twitter authorization, showing the authorization screen with your Twitter profile details at the top. The authorization screen displays sign in and cancel buttons to complete or decline the connection. Click Cancel to close the window without connecting. You're back at the Connected Apps panel with your YouTube account successfully linked and ready to use. Each connected account shows a visibility toggle that controls whether it appears on your public Discord profile. You can disconnect any linked account at any time by clicking the X button next to it in the connections list. If you don't see a service you want to connect, scroll through the full Add Connection modal, as Discord supports dozens of platforms. Some connections like YouTube let you display your subscriber count or current activity status. And that's how to connect your accounts to Discord. Thanks for watching.